Hi, I'm Gloria Pierson and I'm a certified life coach. So this is day 3 in my series, 21 Days to a Happier and More Attractive You. Yesterday we did a gratitude tool. Today I'm going to give you a deep breathing technique to use when you have fear, tension, a panic attack. It's simple to use, so stay tuned for that. Now if you enjoy my videos, please hit that subscribe button, and remember, sharing is caring. But let's go ahead and get started. So today I'm going to discuss a deep breathing technique to use when you have stress, panic attacks, or you just have a lot of tension. Because if you're trying to make some changes in your life, changes aren't always comfortable. So you need some little tools to help you through that. This video, as all of them in the 21 days, is going to be short, less than 3 minutes. So for deep breathing, first I want you to lie on the floor and put one hand on your chest and one hand on your stomach. And then just breathe. Take some deep breaths. Now, I want you to notice, is your chest rising more or your abdomen? If your chest is rising more, that is shallow breathing. And that's not going to help you release tension. So I want you to do that again. Lie down. Put your one hand on your abdomen, one on your chest, and pretend you're filling your abdomen up with air like a balloon and have it expand. Expand, down. Expand and down. Practice that so you get the hang of what abdominal breathing is, because that is how you release tension. And this is also a good exercise to change your energy. If you feel down, your vibration is low, some deep breaths will change up that energy and rise it up. So now, once you know what abdominal breathing is, now this is the technique. Because what this does, this gives your mind something to hold on to. So when you have that fear, you can start releasing it. So I want you to just sit down in a chair, and this is going to be that deep abdominal breathing. And I want you to inhale and think, breathe. And say that word softly to yourself. Then hold your breath for just a few seconds. 1, 2, 3. And then on exhale, think, relax. Inhale, breathe, hold. 1, 2, 3. Exhale, relax. Again, it gives your mind something to hold on to, and the deep abdominal breathing. Now, you need to practice this for 5 to 10 minutes a day, because if the first time you use it in a fearful situation, it's not going to work. You have to practice like everything in life. Practice it for 5 to 10 minutes till you become comfortable with it. And then when you are in a situation, if you do this for a few minutes, boom, it will help those panic attacks, release stress, tension, and fear. So now if you enjoy my videos, please hit that subscribe button. And remember, I'll see you tomorrow for day 4.